Namaskar. Do you know that your sleep issue and hair fall are connected? Many people try to treat them with teas, oil, shampoos, and supplements. They try different things, but still the problem does not fully go away because the real issue is not outside, it is inside. In today's lifestyle, two very common deficiencies, magnesium and zinc, are quietly affecting both your sleep and your hair. Both the issues are connected, and today I am going to tell you a common solution for both, that is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are excellent source of magnesium and zinc. Including them in your diet will improve your sleep quality and hair health at the same time. Today I will share how to use them effectively. So let's see what you can start doing from today. In the evening, about 1 hour before sleep, take 1 tablespoon of slightly roasted pumpkin seeds. Chew them slowly. Within a few days, you will notice that your sleep becomes deeper and more settled. If you combine pumpkin seed with small piece of jaggery, it improves mineral absorption. Jaggery supports digestion, and better digestion means better nourishment reaching to your body. If you have bloating, add a pinch of dry ginger powder and black pepper with the seeds. This simple step improves digestion and ensures proper absorption. Avoid taking pumpkin seeds after a very heavy meal because digestion becomes slow. Now, once sleep begins to improve, let us understand how this supports your hair. For managing hair loss, follow a simple morning routine. Take 1 tablespoon of soaked pumpkin seeds along with few soaked almonds and 1 walnut. You can take this on an empty stomach or with breakfast. This combination strengthens your hair from within. Follow this consistently for about 8 to 12 weeks because hair growth follows a natural cycle and requires patience. There are also other ways to include pumpkin seeds in your routine. You can prepare a simple roasted mix. Take 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, 1 teaspoon sunflower seeds, and a few curry leaves. Roast them lightly. Add a pinch of rock salt and a little black pepper. This becomes a nourishing evening snack. Another easy preparation is pumpkin chutney. Grind roasted pumpkin seed with fresh coconut, coriander, a small piece of ginger, and a little lemon juice. This chutney goes very well with your regular meals and adds both taste as well as nourishment. You can also prepare a pumpkin seed powder. Slightly roast the seeds and grind them into a coarse powder. Store it in a glass jar. Every night, take half a teaspoon of this powder with warm milk. This will help you to sleep better. So, why are pumpkin seeds so much effective? This is because pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, tryptophan, zinc, and healthy fat. Magnesium relaxes your nervous system and helps calm your body at night. It also regulates cortisol, your stress hormone. When cortisol is high, your body remains alert instead of resting. Pumpkin seed helps bring this down naturally. Tryptophan is converted in your body into serotonin and then into melatonin. These hormones regulate your sleep cycle. So you are not forcing sleep, you are supporting your body's natural rhythm. For hair, zinc plays a very direct role in tissue growth and repair. Zinc deficiency causes hair loss. Along with this, omega 3 and omega 6 fatty acid nourish your scalp and improve blood circulation to hair follicles. Better circulation means better nourishment to the roots. There is one more important point, especially for those facing long-term hair fall due to hormonal imbalance. Pumpkin seeds help regulate DHT, a hormone that is related to hair thinning. When this balance improves, hair fall reduces, and new hair growth is stronger. Ayurveda says that pumpkin seed helps to balance Vata. Disturbed sleep and hair fall are usually a sign of aggravated Vata. When Vata is balanced, sleep becomes peaceful, and then indirectly your hair becomes more stronger. But along with pumpkin seeds, you also have to follow a healthy lifestyle. I will tell you how. Create a simple night routine. Dim the light, avoid screens at least 30 minutes before sleep, and allow your body to slow down. Before sleeping, sit quietly and take 10 deep breaths. Slowly inhale and slowly exhale, and then exhale slightly longer. This relaxes your nervous system and prepares your body for rest. For hair, apply oil on your scalp once a week. Use slightly warm oil. Apply it calmly and avoid aggressive rubbing. Pumpkin seed supports your nervous system, but you must also support your mind. Even 10 minutes of daily yoga, including inversions such as Yogendra Sarvangasana, will bring the noticeable change. Also keep a few things in mind. Always consume pumpkin seeds in moderation. About 1 to 2 tablespoons a day is enough. Avoid salted and packaged seeds. Choose plain, good quality seeds. And most importantly, be consistent. Many people follow something for a few days, but then they stop. That does not work. Your body responds to regular care. Practice of consuming pumpkin seeds in moderation is helpful for all age groups. Young people who suffer from early hair loss benefits from stronger roots. Those above 40 experience better sleep quality. So, from today, start this simple routine. Include pumpkin seed in your daily life, eat them mindfully, maintain regular sleep, and take care of your body with patience. Slowly, you will notice your sleep becoming peaceful, your hair becoming stronger, and your energy improves like anything. So, take care. Namaskar.